हेलो। हेलो। हेलो।
यस सर।
हाँ, हेलो चालू करो। अभी उनका नेट नहीं है, दास साहब नहीं उठा रहे फोन। आप स्टार्ट करो पहला लेक्चर।
हाँ आ रहा है, आवाज तो आ रही है। हाँ
जी। हाँ, तो
हम ही
हेलो
बोल रहा
स्टार्ट
हूँ।
करो।
हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ,
नहीं
नाउ
आता
यू
है।
स्टार्ट। यस, टाइम इज।
जी। हाँ।
डीन फैकल्टी साहब यदि हैं तो उनसे परमिशन ले लो।
नहीं सर, वो उनका नेटवर्क का इशू, अभी थोड़ी देर में कनेक्ट होंगे वो।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट कर दें। ठीक
स्टार्ट करो। हेलो स्टार्ट
ठीक,
करो।
अच्छा स्टार्ट। हाँ प्लीज।
Very good morning to all of you. Respected Dean Sir, Dean Faculty Sir, and the respective colleges of Deans, and my dear students. In 15-day workshop of entrepreneurship development for the agricultural graduate, I'm here to present my topic that is assigned to me, the commercial production and marketing of vegetables under high-tech horticulture.
Bisin sir, 1 minute sir. सर मैंने अनम्यूट होने के लिए आपको रिक्वेस्ट की है, प्लीज उस पर एक्सेप्ट करिए।
Okay.
हाँ सर।
Is it okay?
यस सर, ओके, बस मैं शो कर रहा हूँ।
Okay. There is echo problem is there? Alok, echo की problem तो नहीं है?
नो सर, नो सर।
Okay. So today topic is commercial production and marketing of vegetables under high-tech horticulture. First, we know about why high-tech horticulture. Where this topic is important for us, as we know that in present scenario, especially in the agriculture sector, the land is decreasing day by day. The sinking land, water resources, human resources, and also there is a small and marginal farmers holdings are there. And that is one of the important reason due to urbanization and industrialization. These are the problems are there. इन सबको देखते हुए we know about that the horticulture sector is very much important for us to providing income generation from a small land areas compared to the agricultural crops, as compared to cereal, pulses, and all these things. Labor engagements are also there. We have opportunity for higher income profitability is there, of course, but there is a problem is there. It needs skilled labors, and technical knowledge is important for that. And this high-tech horticulture, as we know that we know about the high-tech horticulture, by applying these horticulture tools, the farmers or the students can start their startups, or he or she will get more benefits and more income from the smaller area. And even a small size farmers can earn higher profits. With diversification is important for us. So by using the high-tech horticulture, but the problem with that is that regularly manpower is decreasing, water is decreasing, water resources are decreasing. So how to go or start this high-tech horticulture? It's not so much, as we know that so many components are there. How can we go, or especially the horticulture sector, commercial vegetables cultivation, farmers are doing, or the growers are doing nowadays. The high-tech horticulture sector become very much important because here, please change. Hello, next slide, please. Okay. So what is high-tech horticulture? This is less environment dependent. It is capital intensive initial, but later on, due to higher productivity, and the farmers will get higher income also, or the growers will get higher income from that one. And the thing is that with the application of these commercial vegetable is a sector you can get routine earning as compared to rather than the cereals and pulses and other seed crops are there. You have to wait for 3 to 4 months, and it will start giving you income right from 2 months, or even 1 month also. So by using short duration crops or some other tools are there, we can go. So high-tech in horticulture or the commercial horticulture vegetable production, by the application of these tools, we can get 5 to 8 times more yield, and we will also able to reduce the by the application of micro irrigation techniques or the sprinklers are there. We are able to reduce the cost and also the fertilizer application and the plant protection measures. So overall, we will able to reduce our input cost. As you will be surprised to know that आप जान के आपको हैरानी होगी, last 1960 से हमारी एग्रीकल्चर में 150 to 200 times इनपुट कॉस्ट हमारी बढ़ गई है, और जबकि हमारा जो हमको सपोर्टिव प्राइस जो है दैट इज 50 times only इंक्रीज हुई. तो इनपुट कॉस्ट हमारा बढ़ जाना और इनकम का हमको अवेलेबल होना कम, ये these are the problems are there. Side by side, the high-tech horticulture, these are the nutraceutical, horticultural crops are having nutraceutical values. So it's also very much important to get this is a good crop. And beside this, we can, by the application of these different tools, either greenhouse technologies are there, or drip, mulching, fertigation, protease techniques, tissue culture techniques are there, canopy management, hydroponics, vertical farmings are there. So these are the answer where we can, by the application of these tools, we can use the problematic soils, and we can also able to grow in climate changing scenarios. Next, please. Look next. Mostly जब हम भी बात करते हैं हाईटेक हॉर्टिकल्चर तो हमारे मन में यूजली आता है दिस इज ग्रीन हाउस टेक्नोलॉजी और द protected cultivation, maybe polycarbonate sheets are there, net houses are there, and low tunnel technologies are there, drip irrigation, plastic culture techniques are there. So these are the techniques you can see in the pictures, the different technologies. I've shown this one, which I'll try to explain in future in coming my slides. Next, please. Look next. Especially these all high-tech tools, plastic culture, using of silver black mulch along with raised bed mulching and greenhouses, drip lines are also, these all are made up of plastics. And by the improving these, we will able to get more, we are able to save more inputs of water, either fertilizer inputs or even the weed. It will also help in insect pest management and less heat by using this mulching technique. More soil conservation techniques we will able to adopt this one. And not only this one, आप सभी जानते हैं कि not only this plastic culture or this black polythene mulching, it has a very tremendous effect by application of these. Now the farmers are using for the commercial cultivation, and they are able to reduce their insect pest as well as weed infestation. And the crops are getting in some the field crops, even commercial crops, 20 to 30% yield enhancement is there in some crops. More than 40% enhancement, yield enhancement is there. Along with quality produce is also there. That I'll show you how can we get quality producer. Next, please. Alok. So, as I've already mentioned, it will help. We are able to, जैसा आप जानते हैं कि water की scarcity है, and all the horticultural crops, especially commercial vegetable crops, that is grown in your irrigated situation that needs water, and they by this application of drip irrigation, or we can also say the micro irrigation, or we can also say this is a pulse irrigation is there. And now the government is also providing or supporting to the farmers and the growers, especially in the through Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana, in which even depending upon the categories of the farmers or the growers, the farmers are getting 65 to 90% subsidies are there. And that you have to register, you can get or avail this facility by registering on the Government of India portals. So आपने सभी पहले पढ़ रखा है, आपको अंडर ग्रेजुएट में पहले भी बताया गया this the use fertigation techniques. Next, please one. I'll just try to explain the other things of this is. I'll try to explain the things why this is fruit trees and plug tree nursery raising is important for us. देखिए, this is important. The farmers or the growers, why he's not getting good price in the market, and how can we, our students can be benefited and can use this techniques for as a startup also. It doesn't matter how much area is there. Of course, greenhouses, if you don't have greenhouses, glass houses, poly houses, you can start with shade net also. I'll just give you some alternative tools are also there. So right from this one, this plug trays or the pro trays or soilless trays are there. By using this one, the especially आप जानते होंगे कि hybrid seedlings, they are costly. Some of the seeds are having 60 to 90,000 kg rupees per kg prices there, and so some is having 40 to 50,000 seedling rupees per kg cost of seedlings are there. Mostly the farmers or the growers, especially this technique will be useful. Of course, this is आपने farmers को या growers level पे देखा होगा, mostly the farmers, they are using through their own seedlings. But the problem is that, especially in the rainy season crops or adverse weather conditions, especially extreme winter situations are there. Under such situation, it will be difficult to get or to grow your vegetable seedling timely, and timely you transplant the seedlings. क्या होता है इसके कारण mostly the growers fail to reach timely availability of their vegetables. आपने मार्केट में देखा होगा कि यूजली जो वेजिटेबल की प्राइस है right from especially some of the occasions, right from Dussehra to Diwali, हमारी वेजिटेबल की प्राइस ज्यादा होती है, और उसका रीजन ये होता है कि ड्यू टू हाई रेन्स we are unable to get timely seedlings and timely transplant the seedling, because in open situation due to high direct rain species vanish your or damage your crop, especially the nursery, either damping or आपका germination नहीं होता है. तो usually farmers क्या करते हैं, up after mid of August they are trying to grow their nursery. And if you grow these seedlings or nurseries under pro trays, these are the plastic trays are there. Normally, आपके 98 plots, 105 plots, and if large 1.5 inches, जिनके 50 खाने की भी कहते हैं, जिनकी मार्केट में प्राइस it depends it varies depending upon the quality of that pro trays or plug trays. Right from 12 to 20 rupees per tray. So by growing these under protected situation, either in greenhouses or polyhouses, you are able to grow जो normally जो direct rain species से हमारे damage होते हैं होंगे, और जो costly seeds हैं जो either farmer sprinkle करता है या अगर आप करेंगे तो वो हम hello. Yes, sir. Next. So, how actually these plug trays are there? अगर आप देखेंगे मार्केट में जो इनकी अवेलेबिलिटी है, you can easily get. Even Amazon also, Flipkart also, online markets are there, and even India marts are. So don't worry about that. Of course, price depends upon the quantity and the quality of the material you are using. If you are thick material you are using, that can be used for 3 to 4 times, and some of the materials are there you can use for single or twice time. So these pro trays, as you see in these pictures, are very much clear. Or you can previous one show. Just a minute, wait. अगर आप देख रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पे we can how can we start? We can use this for filling this pro trays. Normally the coco pits are used. 25 kg coco pit is sufficient for your 200 trays. 25 kg का कोको पिट आता है, ब्लॉक्स में आता है. सिंपली यू हैव टू मार्केट से लाके स्टरलाइज भी आते हैं, और इनको आप पानी में हल्के से स्प्रिंकल कर देंगे तो इट विल ब्रेक, एंड सिंपली यू मूव्ड इट, एंड each and every blocks में single seeds to hybrid seeds because they are costly, and you can show these seeds by making of 0.5 centimeter holes, and thereafter you just fill or show your seeds and cover it again with the coco pits. Of course, if you don't have coco pit, then you can also use vermicompost. But the thing is that the important point here is what exactly that one. When you go for commercial cultivation or for the pro trays nursery raising this business, normally the Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, they have इन्होंने बताया कि आप 75% कोकोपिट के साथ 25% जो राइस होता है उसको यूज करेंगे, इट विल हेल्प इन मोर कॉइलिंग ऑफ रूट्स. मोर कॉइलिंग रूट्स होगी तो देयर विल बी गुड एस्टेब्लिशमेंट of this seedling will be there, and ultimately और इसके साथ क्या था, कोकोपीट के साथ ये ज्यादा देखा गया है एट फार्मर्स फील्ड व्हेन वी हैव कैरीड आउट अ फ्रंट लाइन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन एट फार्मर्स फील्ड। फार्मर क्या करता है, या जो एक नॉर्मल लेबर होता है, उसने टॉप पे देखा कि ये आपका सिंपली सूखा और आपने पानी डाल दिया, जबकि अंदर वो इट हैज मोर देन 10 to 15 times out of water holding capacity. So sometimes it may leads to damping of problems are also there. So in that case, we can use, I'll suggest to go for 75% coco along with 25%. It will also minimize your cost as well as better establishment of your, if you don't have coco peat and vermiculite medias are available. So if you don't have, you can start your normal vermicompost or rotten FIM, mixing with slight sand and these things. ये normally a single man can fill 200 trays in a day. 200 कर लेते हैं एक आदमी की जो क्षमता होती है। और जब हम सीड्स को डिबलिंग कर लेते हैं, करने के बाद इसको 7 to 8 layers करके कवर कर लेते हैं, और thereafter will cover it with the plastic so that it will start germinate early within depending upon the species. The germination will start from 7 to 3 to 5 days, even 6 days also. और but अब यहाँ पे एक आपने यहाँ के स्क्रीन के सामने एक पिक्चर शो हो रही होगी मशीन की। दैट मशीन is a pneumatic pro-trace seedling dibbler and pro-trace filling. This machine is there that was developed by Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, जो कि आप जो कोकोपीट के साथ या जो मीडिया मिक्स्ड मीडिया को फिल करेंगे, it will not only fill your all the trees, running trees, along with आप उसमें seed drums are there through which it will help you to dibbling of these seedlings, especially hybrid seedlings. तो ये अगर आपके पास लेबर कम है, लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन करना है, under such situation you can go or think about this. This machines are also there. Some of the private companies are also there, जिसमें कि आप everything is means you can say that as a factory point of view, everything is automatic or mechanized forms are also there. And if you want to start your business, especially this nursery in baris mein ho ya off season nursery business, you can start from your own by using your own terrace also. And it is try to use this technique not only for your for income purpose also there. Here all after when germination, these trees are is again after when it start germination, germinating, then they are kept in sifted in these either in polyhouses, or if you are having shade net or insect proof nets are there, and thereafter they are sprinkled down. Next one, Alok. Next, you can see when it starts germinating, the different diseases are there. The important thing, when the seedlings become around 15 days old, then you have to take care about some sucking pests are there, or some diseases are coming. For this, you can use imidacloprid 0.1 ml per liter of water along with copper oxychloride. And before that, market में आता है आजकल NPK का soluble form 19 या 18 या 20 इसका 1 to 2 ग्राम पर लीटर ऑफ वाटर के साथ डी सीडलिंग्स पे स्प्रे करने से it is just a starter solution for that one. And thereafter अगर रेंज या स्ट्रेसेस आते हैं, अगर आप देख रहे हो before shifting to main market or before to disposal or for the distance market के भेजने से पहले आपको क्या करना है कि you have to start hardening process, क्योंकि either polyhouse या shade net or insect proof nets are there. Right, start आप थोड़ा सा सनलाइट में की ड्यूरेशंस बढ़ा दें जो शेड नेट्स केस में है, या वाटर्स तो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस देना चालू कर दें, एंड बिफोर शिफ्टिंग to outside the market or for the transplanting purpose, again use this any sucking pest or either insecticide, either imidacloprid along with copper oxychloride. Next, please. Next, you can, I've already mentioned that these cocopits are sufficient for that, and the different things are there. We can also use, if you don't have, अगर आपके पास ये टूल्स नहीं है, बड़े पॉली हाउसेज नहीं है जिनकी कॉस्ट 18 लाख 9 लाख 1000 मीटर स्क्वायर में है, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. यू कैन आल्सो ग्रो दीज ग्रो ट्रीज अंडर प्रोटेक्टेड सिचुएशन. ये जैसे आप ये जो सेंटर में देख रहे होंगे वो लोकली अवेलेबल बैम्बू से आप शेड नेट्स या पॉली हाउसेज बना सकते हैं, स्मॉल स्केल के भी बना सकते हैं, और यूकलिप्टस की जो बल्लियां होती हैं उनसे भी बना करके इनको यू कैन स्टार्ट. एंड लास्ट वन आप देख रहे होंगे पार्शियल शेड नेट है, जिसमें इंसेक्ट प्रूफ जो शेड नेट है, ग्रीन शेड नेट है, ये 50% शेड नेट यूज करते हैं, और ये इनसे भी यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट. यस. अब ये अगर देखेंगे फार्मर्स फ्रेंडली है या लो कॉस्ट, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस, क्योंकि अगर हम बड़े हाउसेस, अगर ये आप देख रहे होंगे जो व्हाइट कलर का लोअर साइड में है, सम ऑफ द पॉलीटनल्स आर देयर. यू कैन, आप आसानी से अपने घरों पे बना सकते हैं मच्छरदानी की जो आपकी जाली होती है उसके थ्रू. दैट इज इंसेक्ट प्रूफ नेट होती है, जिसमें 40 मैस की नेट को स्पेशली वी कैन यूज फॉर ग्रोइंग ऑफ चिली, टोमेटोज एंड कॉलीफ्लावर, कैबेज, जिनकी सीडलिंग्स हमको महंगी मिलती है, और रेनी सीजन क्रॉप्स के लिए, हमको अर्ली क्रॉप्स के लिए या इनके लिए ज्यादा प्रॉफिटेबल है. तो इनको आप ये जो व्हाइट कलर की आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देख रहे होंगे 10 by 20 मीटर का इंसेक्ट प्रूफ नेट है. यू कैन इजिली मेड विद लोकली अवेलेबल मटेरियल, आइदर विद द यूज ऑफ आयरन पोल्स और विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर बैम्बू और योर यूकलिप्टस के उनके थ्रू भी बना करके उसमें फ्रूट रेस को ग्रो करके कर सकते हैं. इट विल सिंपली प्रोटेक्ट रेनी सीजन्स में आपके जो डायरेक्ट स्पेसेस जो रेंज की आती हैं, जिसके कारण आपकी सीडलिंग्स में हैवी रेंज के कारण खराब हो जाती हैं या डैम्पिंग ऑफ प्रॉब्लम से, वो इन चीजों से बचेगा. Side by side, it will also help in minimizing the aphid attacks and this is thrips attacks that occurs during the more during the rainy season, especially right from the middle of August to September infestation जब ज्यादा होता है उस केस में. Next. Next, Alok. So if we'll go for large scale pro trees means nursery raising technique, you can dispose of this material online also, as well as by these loading these making rakes and to different distant places also you can provide. और आपको आपके साथ इसके साथ बताएंगे कि ये कुछ हमारे जबलपुर में पाटन एरिया में हमारे कुछ किसान पॉली हाउस को इन्होंने परचेज मतलब ऑन हायरिंग बेसिस पे दे आर डूइंग दिस रेजिंग ऑफ प्रो ट्रे नर्सरी टेक्निक्स. इनिशियली थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, बट दे हैव स्टार्टेड दिस एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड सम ऑफ द पुणे नर्सरीज आर देयर एंड अदर, जो कि आपको ऑनलाइन भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं पैकेजिंग के थ्रू. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. नेक्स्ट, Alok. This is earlier one. That's okay. If I'll try to show you, this is the low-cost greenhouse technologies or the polyhouse low tunnel technologies there. अगर आप left hand side में देखने होंगे तो poly tunnels are there. इसको घर पे भी आप अपने जो growers हैं या अपने के लिए सिंपल प्लास्टिक मल्च को प्लास्टिक शीट्स को मैंने यूज किया 100 to 150 माइक्रॉन्स को यूज करके. इसमें आप आर्च टाइप का 7 to 8 फीट आप लंबे जो बांस है या इनको आप 1 फीट राइट हैंड साइड 1 फीट जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 1 फीट अंदर गड़ा देंगे तो आर्च टाइप का बनेगा. लगभग 90 to 95 सेंटीमीटर हाइट आर्च लेके करेगा। उसमें ये नर्सरी रेजिंग का टेक्निक स्पेशली आप ऑफ सीजन नर्सरी रेजिंग में यूज कर सकते हैं। अगर आप डिफरेंस देख रहे होंगे कि हाउ दीज टेक्निक्स ऑफ सीजन कोकोनट प्रोडक्शन, नॉर्मली विंटर सीजन में हमको क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने में दिक्कत होती है और हमको ये दियारा कल्टीवेशन या कई बार ऐसे फार्मर्स को सजेस्ट किया जाता है कि आइदर वी हैव टू गो फॉर कुकुम्बर प्रोडक्शन और फॉर द सम दिस वाटरमेलन और मेलन्स। उनके लिए ये टेक्निक्स अगर आप देख रहे होंगे, आई हैव यूज्ड दिस इन्वर्टेड disposable glass, and the difference is clearly visible to all of you. This is 4-day seedling is there, and you can use the waste material as well as also this waste, these plastic bottles you can use for growing of these vegetables at your fields without investing anything, without any investment. तो अगर आप देख रहे होंगे फार्मर्स फील्ड में, अगर फार्मर्स ने ये जो टेक्निक हमने फार्मर्स फील्ड पे अप्लाई कराई थी, आप भी यूज कर सकते हैं। इफ यू डोंट हैव, बिकॉज द फार्मर्स दे आर डिमांडिंग फॉर द हाउ कैन वी गेट 40 mass insect nets are there, I'll suggest that go for, if you have that कहते हैं ना mosquito nets are there, use that one. They said हमारे पास नहीं है सर, then I suggest that you can use the जो साड़ी होती है, by this way you can use or start your this pro tray or nursery raising technology. Next one. Next, Alok. Now, before starting the greenhouse cultivation or the protected cultivation, which is very much popular and very common to all of us, between us, this is why it is important. Mostly in protected situation, we go the quality production per unit area productivity is high and the quality produce are there. Of course, इसका initial investment ज़्यादा होता है, but no problem is there. Government is also providing through under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, MIDH, on this NHB National Horticulture Board is also providing subsidy or for this funding for erection of polyhouses, greenhouses or the shade nets. लेकिन आपको मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा you go for growing of vegetables under shade net cultivations because it is economically viable. The reason behind that, it is easy to maintain and handle. Any can get a good price. आपको मार्केट में प्राइस या आप मार्केट में जाते हैं उन्हीं वेजिटेबल की पैसे, या आपको सिंपल है कि बीइंग एज ए कंज्यूमर, जब आप off-season vegetable either early or late in the market when you go, or the growers or the supplier is able to provide their produce, he or she will get higher prices. वो ज़्यादा पैसा कमाता है। तो इसका मतलब है by using these tools, especially this greenhouses, is very helpful for that, for quality production, organic production, and everything, you know. So in general, next one. Before, next please. Hello. This is normally I'll try to show in a, because tomato, cucumber, cauliflower, especially the colored cauliflowers are grown under mostly in the greenhouses. Nowadays the lettuce are also grown. Some area now the indeterminate brinjals are also coming, but not popular so much in India. So different crops are there, but mostly the popular crops are cucumber, capsicum, and tomatoes are there. Normally, इसमें कहते हैं कि red soils जो कि 50% FOM को, या सिल्का के लिए if you don't have, we are using the rice husk. Soil sterilization after, जैसे ही हमने बेड का raking कर लिया, we need to sterilize this media either with the formaldehyde, 4% of formaldehyde, that is by 7.5 liters per 100 meters square, and thereafter covering it and again raking it. अगर आपके पास नहीं है, अगर आप बेड बना चुके हैं, nowadays H2O2 hydrogen, that is silver nitrate based hydrogen peroxide भी soil स्टरलाइजेशन या स्वायर डिसइंफेक्टेंट के रूप में यूज हो रहा है। प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, फॉर्मल्डिहाइड या फॉर्मलिन को जब यूज करते हैं, देन वी हैव टू वेट फॉर 10 to 15 days to start your making of beds and all these operations. So you can also use that as to for 40 to 50 ml per meter square. उससे आप यूज करके within 4 to 5 hours, if you want to transplant or you want to show any seeds directly in the bed, आप आसानी से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। तो इसमें थोड़ा सा एडवांटेज है। नेक्स्ट वन, स्टरलाइजेशन प्लीज, नेक्स्ट वन। So these bed preparations are, and media preparations, this is the process, watering and formalin that I have already mentioned you, then the drenching and covering with the polythene, these already I have mentioned, and thereafter covering, that I'll show you in the next slide. The pictorial, the pictures are there. Next, Alok. You can see how can we go for the bed preparations. आप फर्स्ट स्टेप देख रहे होंगे, कवरिंग विद ब्लैक पॉलिथीन। आफ्टर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फॉर्मल्डिहाइड और फॉर्मलिन आप उनको कवर करते हैं सो दैट द फ्यूमिगेशन प्रोसेस विल बी देयर। बट बिफोर दैट, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द FYM, we are using, and along with neem cake, normally 100 kg आपका यूज करते हैं। उसके साथ आप, it is better to use some trichoderma also you can incorporate, and thereafter you have to marking of the beds are there। और जब इसमें पोल्स या जो हमारे बीच में पॉली हाउसेज या ग्रीन शेड नेट के बीच में आते हैं, उनको हम बेड के एजेस पे लेते हैं, and thereafter we'll go for, after marking these, we start preparation of beds। normally जो beds हम prepare करते हैं for the vegetable cultivation, lower side में 1 meter आपकी चौड़ी होती है, और अपर साइड जो टॉप होता है वो 90 सेंटीमीटर का होना चाहिए, एंड हाइट अराउंड 40 सेंटीमीटर और लाइक दैट, एंड बिटवीन रोज जो है 30 to 40 सेंटीमीटर जो हमारी चैनल टाइप की होती है, वो हमारी कॉमन ही सब में रखते हैं, जो आगे भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे, सबके लिए कॉमन रहेगी। स्पेशली सिर्फ हमारा जो चेंज होगा वो प्लांटिंग डिस्टेंस एंड पैटर्न ऑफ ट्रेनिंग एंड प्रूनिंग ऑपरेशंस आर देयर। नेक्स्ट प्लीज, नेक्स्ट। सो जैसे आपके बेड हो गए, आफ्टर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बेड विल स्प्रिंकल विथ वाटर, जिससे कि वो आपके जो आपने बेड्स बनाई हैं वो सेटल डाउन हो, एंड देयर आफ्टर विल स्टार्ट विद द लेइंग ऑफ ड्रिप लाइंस, मे बी डबल लाइंस और मे बी सिंगल लाइन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्रॉप एंड द ज्योमेट्री व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू फॉर। and it normally 3 centimeter inline drippers we are using, and जिनका discharge minimum 2 liters per hour per square meter होना चाहिए, and it is better to use silver black polythene mulch। It will not only help you in minimizing the weed infestation, minimizing the sucking pest infestation, and the quality produce you will get. Normally 25 to 30 microns silver black polythene mulch is advocated or suggested to go for used in polyhouses or for open cultivations also। Next please। अब ड्रिप लाइन के बाद हम पॉलीथीन सिल्वर ब्लैक मल्च करेंगे ऊपर टॉप की तरफ। अगली वन, पहले वाला शो करेंगे आलोक। So next one, next। This very much popular cucumber. Whenever we say cucumber that is grown or suggested to grow under polyhouses, these are parthenocarpic or gynosis। Parthenocarpic means they are seedless and no male flowers are there, mostly predominantly your female flowers are there। और इसमें क्या होता है, you need not to go for this peeling operations। और जो आप ये लास्ट में देख रहे होंगे एक सेकंड में थोड़ा सा स्पाइनस कैरेक्टर, दिस इज कॉल्ड द पिकलिंग cucumber, which is nowadays exported to some of the states like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka। they are exporting this pickling cucumber to European countries. Market में आपको and it is very easy to process it with the help of vinegar or with the help of salt. क्योंकि जो हमारा ये जो ग्रीन कलर का पार्थेनोकार्पिक कुकुम्बर है, गाइनोसिस लाइन्स है, इसमें एडवांटेज है, इसका बेनिफिट हमको तभी मिलेगा कि जो हमारे some of the farmers near to Raipur and Bilaspur area, they are growing it in large scale. And early market, जब आपकी मार्केट आती है फरवरी मार्च में, जब आप इसको प्रोवाइड कर पाएंगे तभी आपको ये क्रॉप पैसे आपको अर्ली मार्केट में मिलेंगे, क्योंकि व्हेन नॉर्मल जो हमारे रूटीन के कुकुम्बर्स व्हेन कम्स इन द मार्केट आइदर फ्रॉम द नर्मदा बेसिन और फ्रॉम द प्रयागराज एनीथिंग, तो हमारी प्राइस कम मिल जाती है, तो थोड़ा सा लॉस हो सकता है क्योंकि इनके सीड्स दे आर कॉस्टली. पर सीड कॉस्ट इज ₹6 to 7 पर कॉस्ट इज देयर, बट दे आर हाइब्रिड एंड 100% आप जब सेल करेंगे, नॉर्मली जो नॉर्मल कुकुम्बर होते हैं उनको कट करके आपको रैप करना पड़ता है, देयर इज चांसेस ऑफ बिटरनेस, बट 100% गारंटेड दिस पार्थेनोकार्पिक cucumbers you can sell with the guarantee that you can it is 100% sweet. So normally it is a warm season crop that requires normally 20 to 25 degree on and average temperature are there, and of course night temperature is important. 18 to 20 degrees temperature is important for that, and neutral pH conditions में इनको grow कर सकते हैं. जैसा मैंने एड प्रिपरेशन और नर्सरी के लिए आपको पहले बताया था, उसमें ये इस ढंग के बेड्स में भी हम इनको यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट प्लीज.
हेलो सर.
हाँ
सर एक्चुअली 11:15 अभी हो गए हैं और 11:25 तक कंक्लूड करना है और 5 मिनट्स का स्टूडेंट से कन्वर्सेशन करना है, क्योंकि 11:30 से नेक्स्ट लेक्चर
Okay.
होगा जो कि 12:30 पर खत्म इसलिए करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि अभी ऑनलाइन एग्जाम शुरू हो गए हैं, तो
Okay.
आपको 10 मिनट में भी कंक्लूड करना
हाँ, मैं
पड़ेगा.
स्किप करता हूँ जल्दी
जी,
जल्दी
जी,
सैलेंट
जी.
पॉइंट्स. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. सो आप रोटरीज को यूज कर सकते हैं या पॉलीबैग्स को हम नर्सरी रेजिंग के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं. 4 to 5 weeks ओल्ड सीडलिंग्स को हम अपना इसमें ट्रांसप्लांट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. नेक्स्ट. सो जो इम्पोर्टेंट कल्टीवार्स हैं, डिफरेंट जो पार्थेनोकार्पिक हिल्टन है, कियोन है, मल्टीस्टार है, नुनहैम्स की 9729 है, सटिस है, जो कि दैट स्टार्ट्स फ्लावरिंग एंड फ्रूटिंग राइट फ्रॉम 40 to 42 days, एंड इनकी जो लाइफ स्पैन होती है 90 to 100 days की क्रॉप होती है. नेक्स्ट. मतलब 40 days में फ्रूटिंग 42-45 days में देती हैं. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन अबाउट द bed size and planting. It may be 60 to 45 centimeter or 50 to 60 to 45 or 16 to 60 भी हम plant to plant and row to row spacing follow कर सकते हैं. Next please. Next. Okay, next. Next. Next I'll just show you a picture. इसमें training is important होती है कि staking के लिए. Next please. If you have pictures then I'll next. आलोक नेक्स्ट शो करें, मैं पिक्चर से शो करना चाहूंगा. मैं दिस इज फर्टिगेशन शेड्यूलिंग इज देयर एंड दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. वी कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम टॉप पे हमारे जो वायर्स को हम एक सिंगल रो में करेंगे और राइट फ्रॉम 3 मीटर अबव हमारी अगर आपकी नेचुरली वेंटिलेटेड पॉलीहाउसेस हैं उसमें ये इनको ग्रो करेंगे. और अर्लियर डिफरेंट आजकल यूज हो रहे हैं नायलॉन के shedding nets they are lighter in weight and you can use for staking purpose or for the training purpose, and this is the produce is there. and आपको ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम में ध्यान रखना है, अगर हमारी 50 to राइट फ्रॉम 30 to 50 सेंटीमीटर कोई साइड ब्रांचेस नहीं आनी, उनको रिमूव कर देना है. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. नेक्स्ट. It's very easy to grow to this crop and per plant can yield 8 to 10 kg per hectare. And in a kg, 5 standard 5 fruits are you can get from that one. And the average price if you grow early from अगर आप फरवरी मार्च में अगर करते हैं तो हमारा क्रॉप अगर आता है तो उस केस में हमको 15 to 20 rupees अर्ली पिकिंग्स में, नॉर्मली 20 to 25 पिकिंग्स इन अ सीजन हमारी एक पीरियड में हो जाती है. लेटर पीरियड में हमको थोड़ी प्राइस हमारी डाउन होती है। नेक्स्ट प्लीज, नेक्स्ट। हाँ, nowadays capsicum is also important, but colored capsicum either it may be mostly कहते हैं कि हमारा these fast food industries में use करते हैं colored capsicums are there even written, but I'll suggest go for more towards green capsicum, and अगर आप इसमें देखेंगे कि green capsicum क्योंकि local market में it can easily be sell out, इसमें दिक्कत नहीं होती। large one have कोविड की सिचुएशन है, तो इस सिचुएशन में हाई वैल्यू क्रॉप्स की प्रोडक्टिविटी इज हाई, मार्केटिंग की थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आती है, स्पेशली क्योंकि हम ये मार्केट ना होने के कारण या हमारी जो बिग बाजार या जो और शॉपिंग मॉल्स है जहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं वहाँ पे डिमांड आजकल थोड़ी सी कम है। आई ट्राई टू सजेस्ट गो फॉर ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स स्पेशली इन द कोविड-19 सिचुएशन बिकॉज एवरीवन कैन कंज्यूम इट एंड इसको परचेज करने में आसान है। नेक्स्ट प्लीज, please fast. Next. This is the temperature right from germination plant growth 15 to 13 degrees. Flowering के लिए 21 to 22. Winter season crop है, then you have to maintain the lower temperature. And at the time of fruit setting, the temperature where it should be in between 15 to 13 degrees Celsius. Next, please. The same bed preparation and planting methods. Next one. जो आपको पहले सजेस्ट किया था पहले। नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट आलोक। These are the important varieties which you can which is popular. Indira, that is green colored varieties that can be grown in shade net as well as in open situation also. अगर आपके पास shade net नहीं है या poly houses नहीं है, you can also go for this Indira East West company की Ganga, and these varieties can also be grown green colored varieties. Open situation also. So colored varieties are there. This is the growing season. हाँ, आपको ये जरूर सजेस्ट करूंगा कि हम लोग विल ट्राई टू स्केप मार्च प्लांटिंग। अगर मार्च प्लांटिंग करेंगे तो उसमें थ्रिप्स और वाइट फ्लाइज का इन्फेस्टेशन ज्यादा आता है, तो इस पीरियड को हमको ट्रांसप्लांटिंग पर्पस फॉर ग्रोइंग ऑफ कैप्सिकम आइदर एनी कैप्सिकम वैरायटीज अवॉइड करना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट प्लीज, नेक्स्ट। This is already operations. Next, these are the different steps. Next, please. Normally, हमको planting के पहले imidacloprid का मतलब spacing 40 into 40 to 50 and 50 centimeter करते हैं, और before after transplanting copper oxychloride का drenching करना चाहिए. And this is the fertigation schedule. Next one. वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ स्टेज में हमको जो स्प्रे करना है या फर्टिगेशन में हमको 1999 और 1818 और 2020 व्हाटएवर सॉल्युबल फर्टिलाइजर्स आर अवेलेबल, उनको हमको अर्ली ग्रोथ स्टेज में फ्लावरिंग एंड फ्रूटिंग स्टेज, फ्लावरिंग जब हमारी आती है उस वक्त हम फास्फोरस की डोज हमको बढ़ा देनी है। एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ फ्रूट डेवलपमेंट आइदर इन टोमेटो और इन कुकुम्बर और इन कैप्सिकम वी हैव टू गो फॉर मोर दिस इज पोटास अवेलेबिलिटी एंड इन अ मंथ one-time calcium availability and twice a month magnesium and other micronutrients are applied either through foliar through drip also. So this is the crop supportive things are इसमें जो important है। next one कि overhead walls को use wire को use करने के बाद this is important for topping। अगर हमको two उसमें करनी है तो देख रहे हैं टॉपिंग करने के बाद जो साइड शूट्स आएंगे राइट फ्रॉम आफ्टर 20 days 4 to 6 लीड्स को छोड़ने के बाद उनको 2 लेडर सिस्टम पे करना। अगर 4 पे है तो नीचे वाले इसमें करेंगे। तो नॉर्मली दिस ऑपरेशन इज परफॉर्म एट 4 to 6 लीड स्टेज। दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल व्यू हाउ कैन यू गो फॉर 2 लेडर सिस्टम, and if you go for 2 leader system the fruit size will be large, and if you go for 4 leader system in such situation the lobes fruit size or lobe size fruit size will be smaller, that can be good for green tops. So similarly this is one important thing that कि हमको पर ट्रेनिंग उस पे जो सपोर्टिव उस पे कैप्सिकम में सिंगल नोट पे एक फ्लावर या एक फ्रूट को सजेस्ट किया जाता है, उसको करना चाहिए. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वी हैव टू remove it, and when the crops with the help of either forceps or anything like that. And next one, next please. This is controlling every उस पे हमको करना है, और right from 75-90 days में we'll start harvesting depending on full color development stage में हमको इनको harvest करना है. And the larger the, अगर lesser the lobe size will be there and the larger the fruit will be there. जैसे जैसे लोब की साइज हमारी बढ़ती जाएगी, हमारा फ्रूट वेट भी कम होता जाएगा. दैट इज गुड फॉर लोकल मार्केट. लार्जर साइज वी हैव टू, बाय दिस वे यू कैन, और श्रिंक रैपिंग मशीन you can also use for capsicum also. Next one. And in a 5 to 6 ton yield for if winters are there, then you have to maintain पूरे हमारे temperature, we have to close all the panels, and for cooling side vents are open, and foggers are used for maintaining the, not only for the relative humidity and other things are there during extreme weather situations में. After 10 बजे के करीब early mornings में हमको करना shadings. It will not only it helps to reduce your sunlight, and also the light intensity will be reduced, and the quality produce will get by this. This is important in the last plastic culture technique. This is a very useful, or you can also go for vertical farming by using nylon nets, and the threads you can use to grow these cucurbits crops in open situation. This is a Indus company seeds are there. You can go for capsicum even open field situation, and these are some of the tools for raising of. Can we go for in the last some of the economics and some second last slide पे हम जाएंगे, क्योंकि हमारे पास इसके पहले वाले में थोड़ा जाएंगे, इसके पहले में और थोड़ा सा. This is important for the students कि इतनी चीजें हैं cost effective. This is the cost norms are there. The government is providing subsidy for the different types, for the naturally ventilated polyhouse tubular structures, wooden structures, bamboo and shade net structures are there. Even for polythene mulching, for 32,000 per hectare polythene mulch के लिए, drip irrigations के लिए. So अगर if any student wants to go for commercial vegetable cultivation, the this for starting their business under commercial cultivation of vegetables, the National Horticulture Board is helping for this one, and also for establishing of nursery also. Next, please. So this is plastic mulching, or you can government is also providing for the cost planting material के लिए भी हमारा 140 rupees per square meter के rate से government is providing subsidy to the growers or for any startup. So this is all about from my side. Thank you very much.
फ्रेंड को अगर कोई क्वेरी हो तो प्लीज.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Yes, sir. High-tech technology is very effective. We know that. But sir, due to lack of awareness and knowledge, many farmers are not able to adapt to this technology. So
Yes.
from where they can learn about this techniques and technology? Is there any training program or any other things in their village so they can learn?
Okay. Of course. And actually, the different KVKs, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, in each district, they are organizing. You can go on Krishi Vigyan Kendras. Our university is also having different Krishi Vigyan. It will also help in providing this guidance also. And some of the institution PFDC center, Precision Farming Development Centers are there, and our Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal is there. And in Bhopal state government, there is a high-tech horticulture center there. Private centers are also there. like in high-tech horticulture, Institute of High-Tech Horticulture instituted, I think, in Jaipur also, and one private, the private firms are there, from where you can get this training and then formations for the this.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any more queries?
Yeah.
Any more question from anybody? Whether Dean faculty is joined or not? Alok?
सर एक्चुअली वहाँ इंटरनेट की प्रॉब्लम है तो शायद तक सर ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं
ठीक है, कोई बात
तो
नहीं। तो इनको थैंक्स दे दें और दूसरे को कर दे फिर, है ना?
जी सर जी
Thank you, Dr. Brijpal Bisen ji. I thank you very much. I know you are suffering from COVID. Beside that, you are taking pain. I thank you very much. I thanks all the students for having patience. Thank you to all. Now over to
Thank you very much, sir.
Alok Rajput ji for next lecture.
Thank you.
प्रागकर सर आप अनम्यूट
हाँ अनम्यूट ओके
जस्ट अ मिनट मैं सभी को लॉक कर रहा हूँ
Then I think Dr. Vijay Paradkar, Dean Agriculture Chinwada, I welcome you, sir, for today's
Thank you, sir.
deliberation. Kindly you continue, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Very good morning
जस्ट
to all of you.
जस्ट अ मिनट मैं सभी को म्यूट कर दे रहा हूँ सर ताकि प्रॉब्लम
Okay.
आप रहिए सर ऑनलाइन
Okay.
यस सर
आवाज आ रही मेरी? Hello.
जी
Okay, very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, respected Bhomik sir, my colleagues and students. I am from College of Horticulture, Chinwada. The purpose of the seminar today is to present the lecture on mass multiplication of citrus saplings and its marketing. So we start from introduction part. First is the area of citrus in Madhya Pradesh is estimated 1.4 lakh hectare. Among this 1.21 lakh under orange, 20,000 around in acid lime, and 6,400 hectare area under sweet orange. The area under citrus cultivation is increasing gradually in Madhya Pradesh. Orange cultivation was restricted to Chhindwara district in earlier, but now the area extended in Baitul, Hoshangabad, Mandsaur, Neemach, Ujjain, Bhopal, Vidisha, Harda. I think 14 districts covering citrus cultivation, and Dhar and Ratlam also included in this group. Out of 1.21 hectare area, commanded approximately in Chandwada 23,000 hectare, indicating good potential for orange cultivation and other districts of the state. So why citrus yield potentially high in Chhindwada to other districts? So because Chhindwada is a blessed with very agroclimate and has a very vast potential for success cultivation of wide range of horticulture crops, especially in citrus. Next one. Pandurna, and I'm talking about geographical indication. So Pandurna and Chhindwara blocks of Chhindwara district adjoining the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra are famous for quality Nagpur mandarin and has been provided with unique geographic indication tag by Comptroller General of Patent, Design and Trademarkers, Chennai in the year 2013. Benefit of the geographic tag for citrus: first is boost the export of varieties, help growers to get premium price for fruits, and third is the Nagpur orange has also been allotted a logo which can be used only for this product. As per horticulture area production information system, citrus fruits are grown in 50 districts out of 52 districts of the Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. So this is good sign for citrus growers. Next. Alok, next. I would like to mention about productivity of in MP. I think slide is in Chhindwara, but I talk about productivity of citrus in Madhya Pradesh. So lime productivity in Madhya Pradesh around 15 metric ton, orange and sweet orange around almost equal, that is 17.36 metric ton. But in case of citrus Chhindwara, in reference to Chhindwara district, lime productivity around 50 metric ton, orange 20 metric ton, and sweet orange goes 16 metric ton. So average productivity of citrus around 19 or 20 metric ton approximately. Next. High citrus yield potential high in Chhindwara to other districts because Chhindwara is blessed with various agroclimatic and has a vast potential for success cultivation in a wide range of horticultural crops, especially citrus. In citrus crop, enhancement of productivity and improvement of quality would be instruction and development of regular bearing high yielding and good quality varieties and generating improved technology such as high density planting, integrated orchard management practices, and also weather forecasting and warning system in horticulture management and integrated pest and disease management. So next. So high citrus decline in Madhya Pradesh. Reason is citrus decline has been a widespread problem in central India in general and specifically in Madhya Pradesh, and Phytophthora disease has been identified as a major cause of decline Phytophthora species. Phytophthora rootstock is one of the most important soil-borne disease of Nagpur mandarin, causing mortality, slow decline, and yield losses of mature trees. All the orchards in central India and other citrus cultivation belt of India are infested by Phytophthora disease. Next. Next one. In Madhya Pradesh, adjoining to Vidarbha region of Maharashtra, 20 to 50% Nagpur mandarin plant were found to be affected, resulting in severe decline due to Phytophthora species. Main cause is most of the citrus growers are state procure the citrus planting material from the open nurseries of the Maharashtra state. The planting material that we produce in the open nurseries were infested by the different diseases of the citrus. Next. Hello. So the following objectives for ELP as given below. So first is production of disease-free saplings of Nagpur mandarin in special reference to Phytophthora. Second is production of disease-free sampling of acid lime. And third is human resource development. So that the aim is to develop skill and employability of the agricultural graduate student. They will be made learn to difficulty of production of disease-free saplings of Nagpur mandarin, thereby creating an opportunity for resource generation and quality sapling production. Next. Now let's take a start with the scope and importance of the project. Nagpur mandarin covers the 75% area under fruit and district Chhindwara. It has maximum productivity 17 to 19 metric ton per hectare in district. Atmanirbhar Madhya Pradesh under one district, one crop program, the Nagpur mandarin being selected. In the Satpura Plateau region, especially district Chhindwara, produce finest mandarin with the respect to its quality. Therefore, the demand of Nagpur mandarin increased for export to abroad, like Bangladesh, Europe, Arabian countries, also Europe and Europe and Arabian countries. Next. For the development of citrus production area and also productivity, MID has established 3 centers in India. First is TMC for Vidarbha in Nagpur. Second, TMC for Maharashtra in Parbhani. And third is TMC for Madhya Pradesh in Chhindwara. So we have discussed with the MIDH with specific objectives. And so next, the production of disease tree planting material of Nagpur mandarin. The organized on-campus training for citrus master trainers, extension personnel, and organize off-campus training for farmers at village level. Fourth objective was on-farm trial in the farmers field regarding regeneration of citrus orchards in farmers field. So, important feature of disease-free planting material produced in TMC Chhindwara. First is remarkable and wonderful performance at farmers field level. Disease-free planting material, budded on Jamberi and Rangpur lime rootstock, resulting in wonderful performance. Fourth is minimum infection of Phytophthora and healthy planting material with the vigorous growth. So next, the selected ELP of saplings production in very useful to student as well as farmers, because there is in market there is high demand of disease-free planting materials of Nagpur mandarin. Now, insufficient availability of planting material to fulfill the demand of the farmers. Therefore, farmers to go to local nursery and purchase unhealthy and diseased plant. So, sampling producer in local nursery use susceptible rootstock, that's called gulgal for budding. So, what is gulgal? Now, using a rootstock by local sapling producer in Maharashtra, two low-cost seed material purchased from Kashmir Valley, which is very prone against Phytophthora and other disease also, and having short life span, That's why our Nagpur mandarin orchard collapsed in short period. So this is unfortunately rootstock using producer, sapling producer. Second was this rootstock is very prone against Phytophthora, and after some time farmers are facing above problem and production loss with the local purchase unhealthy saplings. Next, let's start with the detail of the project, taking about the material requirement. No, those are raw material that we are need. So infrastructure required. Sorry. Infrastructure required for establish high-tech nursery include shed net house, sterilized plastic tray, UV stabilized black polybags 100 millimicron, UV stabilized transparent polythene for solarization, and fumigation of potting mixture, a separate set of nursery equipments. So under infrastructure, we have required 2 screen house for 10 meter to into 50 meters, cost around 6 lakh for primary nursery with a platform of for sowing seed in plastic carrot, capacity around 1 lakh plant per in carrot this area. Second was 2 screen house for 10 meter into 70 meters, cost around 10 lakh secondary for secondary nursery, and raising planting material capacity 60,000 rootstock. Another 2 screen house for 10 meter into 50 meter, cost around 6 lakh for shade net, and budded raising plant material capacity 30,000 budded plant. Also required tubewell, motor pump, pipeline, and approach road. So total cost around 42 lakh for stabilizing nursery. Next. 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 I'll look next. This is our photograph shows infrastructure of Satis Nursery at Chhindwara. So next. Well, talking into the consideration of process of preparation and production. So in India, most of the citrus nurseries are grown in open field. So in field nurseries, the eradication of soil-borne pathogen like Phytophthora once introduced become very difficult. So avoid the problem concept of this high-tech standardized nursery system has been adopted. For preparation of potting mixture, next. For the potting of mixture consisting one part of the virgin fertile soil, sand, and FIM. It means 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 we can mix in potting mixture should be used in a plastic tray for seed sowing in primary nursery, and some sterilized mixture should be used for filling the polybags to be used in secondary nursery. So next, soil solution in important process. So the potting mixture should be spread on the concrete floor in form of flat bed of 45 centimeter thick layer and drench with water before covering it with 100 millimicron UV stabilized transparent polythene sheet in summer month when atmospheric temperature goes up to 45 to 46 degrees centigrade. The edge of polythene sheet should be completely sealed with soil to avoid vapor loss, which allowed the inside temperature to rise up to 54 degrees centigrade. The soil saturation should be done for 44 to 6 weeks. photograph shows next. This is solarization platform. Next, this is another photo to solarization. Next. Selection of mother plant. It's important activities. Selection of mother plants for seed is most critical part of production of healthy planting material, since plant productivity, longevity, fruit quality of freedom from species depend on type of mother plant. Mother plant should be select from the authentic variety source with known pedigree in respect to healthy, vigor, regular bearing and high yielding with good fruit quality. Next, the photographs have you seen. Photograph have you seen? Jamberi plant uses root stock. And another photographs root first is Rangapur. No, previous. Hello, previous slide. This is first is Rangapur's rootstock and second new rootstock that called Alimo fruits as roots using now root as rootstock. This next. This is Jamberi fruit. This is the most popular and widely adopted for rootstock in for Nagpur Mandarin. Next, collection of seed is also important work during process of preparation. Seed should be collected from the authentic selected material mother plant of the recommended varieties. Mature and healthy fruits should be selected from for seed extraction. Fruit that has fallen is more subject to infection. So, seed are extracted from fully wrapped fruit by making a shallow cut through the ring around the twisting the two halves of fruit apart. Seed are then washed in cool water and dry under shade condition. The sound seed bean of greater density are separate from the undeveloped seed. Next is seed should be sown as early as possible after extraction, since citrus seed give the highest germination if planted immediately after extraction. So next, this photograph shown method of extraction from the fruits, and after just we can sow for in primary nursery. So next. For raising disease free nursery, it is required to grow primary nursery seedlings in plastic tray of 60 centimeter 60 into 40 into 12 centimeter size. After making 6 hole in bottom of the tray to drain out excess water, tray should be fill up to top with sterilized potting mixture and should be kept at 45 centimeter height from ground level on the bricks or on cement platform to check the contamination. Seed are sown at the depth of 1 to 1.5 centimeter. It means shallow depth with the spacing 2.5 to 3 centimeter in the row. After sowing, light shower irrigation should be done with the water can. The primary nursery it take around 6 months for root stock. This is you can see sowing of the citrus seed in primary nursery. Procedure for sowing. Next, transplanting of seedling in secondary nursery. The seedling with 10 to 15 having 8 to 10 leaves are transplanted in black polythene bag of 30 centimeter height and 15 centimeter diameter size, having 3 to 4 holes at bottom to drain out excess water. The polythene bags are filled with sterilized potting mixture and around in shade net. To ensure uniform nuclear seedling, discard markedly smaller or too taller one at time of transplanting. Seedling from primary nursery should be uprooted with a fork carefully to minimize the root damage. The hook-necked bend or twist taproot seedling should be avoided. Selected seedling should be treated with mefenoxam plus mancozeb 2.5 gram per liter water solution before transplanting to check the contamination at the time of transplanting. The seedlings are transplanted in the field during July, August with the onset of monsoon. This is our primary nursery view. Next. Plant protection measure you can opt during the crop season. So nursery plant are sprayed with carbendazim at the rate 1 gram per liter water at monthly interval as prolific measures. Spray of COC at the rate 3 gram per liter water in the month of June and July is advisable to control canker in acid line. For controlling of leaf miner in nursery, imidacloprid at the rate of 0.5 ml or fenorate 1 ml per liter of water should be sprayed. For lemon butterfly, quinalphos at the rate of 2 ml of water, 2 ml per liter of water, and for the mite, dicophal 2 ml per liter of water should be sprayed based on incidence. Next is budding procedure, most important and technical work in citrus sapling production. So budding is done using the bud on budwood taken from disease-free mothers plant and on Rangpur lime or jamberi. This condition usually occurs during period of growth between April and November. All thorns, stem or leaves should be removed from the area to be budded. The preferred budding height is approximately 6 inch or 15 centimeter above the soil surface. The cut, the made at slightly upward angle cutting completely through the bark. The point of knife can be used to lift the bark along the vertical cut. Cut only deep enough to remove a thin silver of wood under the bark. Avoid touching the cut surface of the bud. Shield by holding in it between the thumbs and knife blade, or be careful using the leaf petiole sub as a handle. The bud should be immediately inserted into the stalk, not allowing the cut surface of the bud to dry. The bud shield should be completely enclosed in the incision. A part of the protrudes beyond the incision, cut off it. Then ramp a bud with budding tap, being wrapping below the bud with 3 to 4 turn and finish with several turn. Bud covering all the exposed surface need to be covered with white transparent polythene strips. Wraps should be removed after 14 to 21 days and should not be left more than 30 days. If the successful union has formed between the bud and the rootstock, the bud will be green and show no sign of drying. Callus information should also be evident around the edge of the bud. This is budding work in our nursery. during bird plant under observation, and this is budded the budded plant Nagpur Mandarin. So engagement of human resources. There is no denying how much crucial role in human resource will play for the program. So trained human resource and requirement of labor has to be required at the various stages. First is soil soilization. Second is soil of rough lemon seed at carrot. So required expert manpower for sowing in upper surface 1 to 1.5 centimeter depth. So expert labor or manpower required in this work. So planting material, planting of seedling in polythene bags. For transplanting in polybags required expert labor in secondary nursery. 4. Budding with Nagpur Mandarin bud stick. Budding and for budding, highly skilled labor required, and also selection of bud stick from mother plant. So expert required there also. So remove side shoot and in budded seeding. So trained worker required in this work for this work, and then also required expert manpower for fertilizer, manuring, spray of pesticide and management disease and insect, and irrigation also. Next critical topic, I talk about the financial requirement. In infrastructure like net house, primary net and secondary nursery required 42 lakhs around required. For equipments, around 14 lakh required for equipments, and other works and 5 lakh, 10 lakh around for this work. Main is revolving fund or working capital for 18-month crop cycle required 20 lakhs. So around 86 lakh total amount required for this project. Next. Well, I guess it goes without saying that the quality should be our prime concern. So produce material completely disease free and healthy with wonderful performance at field level, profuse and vigorous growth, fruit having nutritious quality, that is base TSS acid ratio not less than 14. Quality parameter of the produce has to be managed by adapting scientific practices. So solarization, sowing of rough lemon means jamberi, seeded carrots, planting of seedling in polythene bags, budding with Nagpur Mandarin bud stick, remove of side shoots in budded seedling, fertilizer and manuring, spraying of pesticide and management of the insect pest and irrigation management of seedling. So next is Nagpur Mandarin plant for ready to sell. As part of the next topic, I start with handling of produce. Always protect the root, stem and foliage during the transport. To prevent the breakage of earth ball, a layer of cushion material like paddy, straw, dry grasses, etc. should be spread at bottom of the vehicle before the loading and plant. Never pick up a plant by trunk. Lift plant from below the root ball of the container carefully. I would like to touch the pricing or rate of product approved by NRCC. Rate 85 rupees per plant for Nagpur mandarin and 60 rupees per plant for acid lime. Market will play a crucial role with regard to product that will be created as part of this project. So the sale was not only confined to different districts of Madhya Pradesh, but saplings of Nagpur mandarin were sent to different states of the countries like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka also. As a result of quality material produced, the demand of the disease-free sapling material on Nagpur mandarin is increasing among the citrus grower by day. This is selling on Nagpur mandarin plants at our station. Next photo. This is also same. Next. 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 This is high density citrus orchard in farmers field. So farmers are adopting new technique nowadays. So in future, we can say good future for citrus cultivation. Next. Farmers also using polymulch and drip irrigation and by fertigation. Next. Next. This is a traditional citrus orchards in farmers field. Next. This is marketable quality from this market from the citrus orchards. Next. Farmer visited in primary nursery at the time of purchase seedling in July, June to July. Next. Next topic, risk and their management. Well, it really shouldn't come as a surprise that a major product like this cannot have a potential risk. Let's spend some time talking about the overall risk and steps to consider to mitigate these risks. Probable risk in the business are having incidents and occurrence of the insect pest and disease may harm the production. Therefore, precautionary management practice will be adapted for management in risk management of disease, insect and pest and disease of citrus. So, lastly, for the success of project, some precautions is most required as well as some important work like this. First is nursery side should be away from the citrus orchard. It is advisable to use fresh seed extract from healthy fruits and sown in tray under shade condition for better germination. Nursery floor should be covered with stone dust to avoid contamination from soil. Only nuclear seedlings should be selected for further growth. High budding not less than 20 to 25 centimeter of height should be done by using sterilized knife. Sample are taken from for identified elite mother plant for serological indexing or biological indexing against major pathogens like Tristeza virus, mosaic, ring spot before selection of budwood. Regular commanded plant protection measures are followed in to the insect pest disease management. Set of nursery equipments and workers should be separated. Seedling should be transplanted during rainy season or cloudy days for greater survival. So seedling should be treated with Ridomil at the rate 2.75 gram and carbendazim 1 gram per liter water at the time of transplanting in secondary nursery. Budwood should be selected from disease-free and certified elite mother plant of known pedigree. Budwood should be selected from fairly well mature non-bearing shoots of current year growth from select plant. And this is over my talk, so you can free for any question. Hello.
Now I request all the students kindly raise their questions, and
Thank
if there is some doubts, they can ask directly to Dean sir.
Hello. Nobody?
Nobody wanted to ask something? Then yes, ask please.
हेलो सर हेलो
हाँ,
सर
हाँ,
गुड
हाँ,
आफ्टरनून
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून।
सर ये ऑरेंज के बारे में सर थोड़ा जानकारी लेनी थी मेरे को, जिसे हमने घर पे लगा रखा है।
हाँ,
तो सर उसमें 2 साल से फ्रूट नहीं आ रहा है, पूरे एरिया में नहीं आ रहा, तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, पहले तो ये देखिए कि अकेला पौधा होगा या मेंटेनेंस प्रॉपर है या नहीं, और यदि आपने 2 साल का है तो उससे बेरिंग की उम्मीद ना करें अपन। कम
नहीं
से
नहीं
कम
सर,
हमारा
वो
जो
5-6 साल का हो गया प्लांट, तो हमारा पूरा वो लगा है, ऑर्चर्ड लगा है सर।
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा,
हमारा जो रतलाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में बहुत सारे के पास ऑर्चर्ड लगा है।
बहुत बढ़िया,
तो
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है।
हाँ, तो सर उसमें जैसे अर्ली जो रेन हो जाती है,
हाँ, हाँ,
तो उसकी वजह से सर उसमें 2 साल से फ्रूटिंग नहीं हो रही है, तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा सर?
देखिए कमर्शियल लगा है कि अकेले 2-4 पौधे लगे हुए हैं? कई
नहीं
बार
नहीं
क्या
सर,
होता है।
ऑर्चर्ड लगा है, पूरा 400-500 प्लांट का ऑर्चर्ड लगा है।
ओके, और मेरे को लगता है ये जो ऑर्चर्ड है ना, हमने कहीं महाराष्ट्र के लोकल से परचेस किया होगा सेपलिंग्स, है ना?
हाँ हाँ सर।
तो एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है, मैं आपको इसी मेन डिस्कशन पे आना चाह रहा था कि जो गलगल जो रूट स्टॉक है, ये अप्रोप्रिएट
यस
नहीं है। ये बहुत लो कास्ट पे अवेलेबल हो जाता है, और जितना भी महाराष्ट्र में जो सैपलिंग प्रोड्यूसर ग्रुप है, और वो गलगल का यूज़ करता है। तो आप लोगों के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी इसीलिए अच्छी है कि यदि आप जब भी सीडलिंग बनाएंगे या प्रोटेक्टेड या जहाँ गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी से आप यदि प्लांट लेते हैं, तो इसमें रूट स्टॉक का यूज़ होता है जम्बेरी, रंगपुर या एलिमो, है ना? तो निश्चित रूप
यस
से वो जो रूट स्टॉक होगा वो गलगल का होगा, और देखना वो 8-10 साल बाद वो सूखने लगेगा आपका बगीचा, है ना, या ऑर्चर्ड्स।
यस
तो ये प्रॉब्लम है उसमें। तो उसमें वो क्या होता है कि गलगल मीन्स जो अपनी कश्मीर वैली है, उसके फॉरेस्ट में उसका सीड अवेलेबल हो जाता है, तो वो लोग लाके यहाँ सेल कर देते हैं। और क्योंकि इनके पास कमर्शियल है, करोड़ों पौधे बना रहे लोग, है ना, इसलिए
सर।
जम्बेरी या रंगपुर का सीड नहीं मिलता, और बदले में फिर वो गलगल का यूज़ कर लेते हैं। हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, जो यहाँ नर्सरी है, आपसे भी हम नर्सरी शुरुआत करने की बात करेंगे, तो हम कहेंगे कि आपका अलग से स्टेब्लिश हो, आपका रूट स्टॉक हो, आपका और आपका मदर प्लांट हो, या नागपुर मैंडेरिन जो भी जिस पे भी लगाना चाहते हैं, तो ऑथेंटिक मटेरियल होगा, तो हम गारंटी से बोल सकते हैं कि उसका फ्रूटिंग होगा, है ना। तो ये कहीं ना कहीं वो गलगल की रूट स्टॉक है, उसके कारण से ये परेशानी आ रही है। और एक और आप जो ऑफिशियली जो बात नहीं करते हम लोग, पर इसमें एक स्ट्रेस देने की बात रहती है पहली बार
यस
जो।
सर, अभी तो उसमें स्ट्रेस दे रखा था, पर जैसे अर्ली रनिंग हो जाती है उसकी वजह से
हाँ,
उसमें फ्लोरिंग और फ्रूटिंग नहीं हो पाती है।
हाँ, हाँ, तो जहाँ कहीं ना कहीं सीएन रेशो मेंटेन हमारा नहीं हो पाता, उसके कारण से ये परेशानी बनती है। इसलिए हम ये कहते हैं कि यदि आपने मृग बाहर लिया है,
यस
तो स्ट्रेस या पानी की कमी है तो जनरली किसान मृग बाहर लेता है, और वो क्या करता है कि मार्च इसके बाद मार्च अप्रैल तक के इरिगेशन शेड्यूल चलेगा उसका, क्योंकि तब तक कि उसका कमर्शियल फ्रूट रहता है।
Yes, sir.
मई में वो उसको स्ट्रेस दे देता है, और जैसे फर्स्ट शावर होगा आपका जून में, वैसे फ्रूटिंग हो जाती है। पर ऐसा हो नहीं रहा। आपने देखा होगा कि जो स्ट्रेस आना चाहिए आज, है ना, 42 का जो टेम्परेचर हमें मिलना चाहिए, तो उसको स्ट्रेस ही नहीं मिल रहा। मतलब लगभग पिछले 5 सालों से हम ये देख पा रहे हैं कि जो मई को अच्छा तपिश होना चाहिए, जितने टेम्परेचर उसको मिलना चाहिए, वो नहीं मिलता। और उसके कारण से जो स्ट्रेस या CN रेशो उस बगीचे में या ऑर्चर्ड में जाना चाहिए, वो नहीं मिलने के कारण से फ्रूटिंग आपकी लेट होती है। आपने देखा होगा जुलाई अगस्त में होती है, और पता लगा आपको मार्केटेबल फ्रूट्स नहीं आते, और रेट भी उसके अच्छे नहीं मिल पाते हैं, है ना। तो
Yes,
कहीं ना
yes.
कहीं स्ट्रेस देने के लिए आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, है ना। और दूसरा ये है कि अभी भी आपको लगता है तो हमारे पास ये लेक्चर देने का मेन ऑब्जेक्ट ये भी है कि हमारे पास रंगपुर पर लगे हुए नागपुर मैंडारिन के बड़े प्लांट है। आप यहाँ से ले जाएंगे, गारंटेड आपका लोगों का रुझान बढ़ा हुआ है। और हमारे यहाँ अभी तो ये मान के चलिए कि जिस दिन 1 जुलाई को हम सेल करते हैं, 1 जुलाई को 2 बजे तक के पूरे पौधे साफ हो जाते हैं, एक भी पौधा यहाँ नहीं बचता। इट मीन्स इतनी डिमांड है इन पौधों की, क्योंकि सारे महाराष्ट्र, किनको नहीं पता, बाहर के जो लोग आते तो वो महाराष्ट्र से ले जाते, पर जिनको समझ में आ गई है वो प्राइवेट से कोई परचेस नहीं कर रहा। और वहाँ से मेन जो फाइटोप्थोरा की जो प्रॉब्लम है, उनके खेतों में पता नहीं कितने सालों से संतरा लगा हुआ है, फाइटोप्थोरा वहाँ फैला हुआ है। उसके कारण से जहाँ भी पौधा जाएगा वहाँ उसको फाइटोप्थोरा ले जाएगा। इसलिए आपको पॉलीबैग्स के जो मटेरियल है उसी को परचेस करना चाहिए, जिसमें कि स्टरलाइज मटेरियल होगा या डिसीज फ्री मटेरियल आपको मिलेगा, और आप सिर्फ संतरा ही उगा पाएंगे, साथ में बीमारी नहीं ले जाएंगे। और
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
ओके,
Any other students can ask something?
सर मेरा सवाल ये है,
हाँ हाँ
सर
पूछो बेटा।
मेरे गांव में
हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो।
मेरे गांव सर इस बार मेरे गांव में सर एक भी ऑर्चर्ड नहीं आया सिट्रस का।
हाँ हाँ
एक भी मतलब पूरे जो गांव में अच्छा है आता है, इस बार एक भी
हम्म।
ऑर्चर्ड में मतलब वो सिट्रस नहीं आया। मतलब मेरे जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है
फ्रूटिंग
उसमें एक में भी नहीं।
फ्रूटिंग नहीं हुई, मतलब ये समझ लीजिए आप।
हाँ 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 सर।
कौन सा वाला मतलब डिस्ट्रिक्ट है आपका?
सर शाजापुर सर, ऑरेंज प्रोडक्शन।
राइट। आप लोग किन्नो तो नहीं लगा रहे?
नहीं सर, किन्नो नहीं है सर।
किन्नो का प्लांटेशन नहीं है?
सर वही है सर, एक लोकल वेराइटीज है सर,
हाँ
नाम
हाँ।
इधर की है सर, महाराष्ट्र के सर, नाम तो पता नहीं लेकिन
कुछ नहीं, नागपुरी संतरा ही है वो।
हाँ
पर
हाँ
प्रॉब्लम
हाँ
ये है, हाँ, नागपुरी संतरा है, पर जो रूट स्टॉक यूज होता है वो गलगल का होने से ये सारी परेशानियां, फाइटोप्थोरा, दूसरी डिसीज, रूट स्टॉक, ये सारी प्रॉब्लम को लेके आ रहा है ना।
सर जो अभी आपने
तो
बताया था वही है ना सर, अभी इससे पहले जो बताया था वो सारी प्रॉब्लम अभी हो रही है,
हाँ हाँ,
ये वही
वो हो रही
प्रॉब्लम
है।
है।
हाँ, इसीलिए आप, क्योंकि साइट्रस ऑर्चर्ड लगा रहे हो, तो आप 1 साल की योजना नहीं बना रहे, आप 40 साल की योजना बना रहे हैं ना। तो किसानों के बीच में क्या होता है कि वहां पर 10 रुपए 15 रुपए का भी पौधा मिल जाता है, और ऑफिशियली आपने देखा ना, 85 रुपीज का पर प्लांट हम लोग गवर्नमेंट
हाँ
डिसाइड कर रही है। यदि प्राइवेट करे तो
यस सर।
150 रुपये 200 रुपये का पौधा देगा, क्योंकि 18 मंथ लगते पूरे कंप्लीट साइकिल पूरी करने में, है ना। तो इसलिए बहुत कॉस्टली प्लांट है, पर फिर भी गवर्नमेंट 85 रुपीज़ पर प्लांट से सेल करती है। पर किसानों को और कम में चाहिए, है ना। तो इसलिए वो कहीं से भी अपना परचेस करके ये नुकसान उठा रहे हैं, ऐसा है। तो आपको यदि अवेयरनेस है तो हमारे यहाँ लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेनिंग होती है, तो आप यहाँ आ जाए। 1 1 महीने की ट्रेनिंग होती है, और यदि आप जैसे बिजनेस इंस्टॉल करना हो या नर्सरी इंस्टॉल करना हो या कुछ ऐसा प्रोग्राम हो, तो एक अच्छा सा बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया जा सकता है। और क्योंकि अब अकेला MP में करीब हमारे अभी तक के तो 12 13 डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
Any more student? Then we are come to end of this our program of today's. I thank you very much on behalf of Dean faculty ELP coordinator, and on behalf of our university, Dr. Paratkar. He's a Dean College of Horticulture, Chhindwara. I thank you very much, Dr. Sir, for your nice presentation. Similarly, I thanks Dr. Brijpal Bisen also. Both have given very excellent presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you. आलोक जी कुछ और है?
No, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks to all. Thank you, respected Dean sir. जी sir. Thank you, respected Dean sir. Thank you very much. तो डीन सर आपकी परमिशन हो तो हम ये सेशन को एंड करें।
ठीक, थैंक यू। मैं तो अनऑफिशियली इसको वो कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ऑल। आलोक आपको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अच्छा आलोक जी, आज क्या 3 बजे से कोई बैठक है क्या ऑनलाइन?
यस सर जी
है, तो मेरे को भेजा क्या उसका? मेरे को भेजा नहीं शायद।
सर मैं भेज दूंगा, मैं भेज दे रहा हूँ आपको।
ठीक है, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू सर।
ठीक है, ओके।